Alright guys, so we skunked out over in the Kenai. That's, you know, it is what it is, it happens. So we are now on the way out to Anchor Point to go do some tent camping at a friend's house.
It felt like Peggy was the only one that could actually...
The goose is like, hey, get out of here!
He's like, oh.
So this is a brand new tent that my mother bought. She's never used it, so I'm gonna test it out for her. So supposedly this is actually like a pop-up tent, so it should come together relatively quickly. Let me show you the stats. It's supposed to set up in about 10 minutes, 16 pounds. It can do up to 70 inches of headspace, and it sleeps 6. Pretty big tent here. Supposedly it sets up in 10 minutes, so let's test that out. Starting now. Oh yeah, this is ridiculously easy to set up. I like that you just have to put the poles into 2 seams up here, and that's it, and then you just clip everything in, which is pretty awesome, and it stands pretty tall. Last thing, you just gotta put the rain shield up, and let's see, what are we at here? 3 minutes and 20 seconds left, so this is it. So it is pretty true to, 10 minutes, and if I wasn't by myself, I'd get it done a lot faster. Tent is all set up, but I opened the door over here. So all of our sleeping gear actually fits in this tote. So essentially all we got are these 2 sleeping bags. We have 2 of those Marchway cots that I've done a review on, and then 2 sleeping pads, and then some blow-up pillows. Man, I've gotten so spoiled just setting up a rooftop tent, not gonna lie. Blowing stuff up. I mean, I'm probably already like 35 minutes into making camp right now. Look, my friend. Forgot this one actually has like a foot pump thing. This sleeping pad actually comes with like a little pillow. Last piece. So essentially we got cot, sleeping pad, and then sleeping bag. I remember putting this away last year, and this sleeping bag was such a pain in the ass. These tiny little stuff bags that sleeping bags come in, garbage. Buy some new ones, because stuffing a sleeping bag without having to do this, so nice. I Odin. Mama Goose is upset. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot.
Get wild blueberries to set, transplants is really hard.
Good morning, guys. This is how we were sleeping last night. It's a pretty big tent, which is awesome. Lots of room. We're gonna be here for 2 nights, so definitely well worth getting this all set up. This tent's very interesting. Gives you a little living room in the front where it kind of gives you some shelter from the rain. And the tent definitely did take about 10 minutes to set up, so that's cool. But essentially all of our camping sleeping stuff all fit inside of this black tub here. That includes the sleeping bags, our 2 cots, 2 sleeping pads, and 2 blow-up pillows. Well, 1 small blow-up pillow. I love this setup, super comfortable. We've been sleeping great for the last 2 days in these, so definitely no regrets about this. But check this out, because these cots are so freaking tiny. Everything will fit very snug inside of here. Last one. There you go. This actually goes inside the camp tote, but yeah, let's go ahead and take everything down.